If you want to fast track your ACCA journey, then this video is for you. I'm Megha Bansali, ACCA and Indian CA. In this video, I'm going to be discussing what are the best paper combinations that you can take up so that you can fast track your ACCA journey. We all know that ACCA gives us the flexibility of writing whichever paper at whatever pace we want to and in whichever order we want to. But if you are someone who wants to finish your ACCA very soon, then writing 2 papers at a time is quite advisable. And honestly, I think 3 months of time is good enough to prepare for 2 papers. Yes, you need to put in a lot of time, but if you're a student, I'm sure you can definitely write 2 papers in every attempt. Now, if you're looking at your knowledge level, typically knowledge level is an on-demand exam. So if you want to finish it faster, write every paper in like 15 days or in a month, and then you kind of finish it very fast. So that's with your knowledge level. Now the order that is best suitable is financial accounting, business and technology, followed by management accounting. Last, you put your management accounting. Now moving on to your skill level. So if you are a student who has given knowledge level and has given management accounting last, I would suggest you start with performance management at your skill level. So do that. However, if you are a student who is from 5 paper exemption background where most of the students belong and you're starting your journey from your skill level, then the 4 papers that you have to write is your financial management, performance management, financial reporting and audit. If I have to give these 4 papers, then the combinations I would have chosen is FR with audit, because one is theory, one is practical, plus the distance between the examination is very good. So one paper is on Monday normally, which is audit, and your FR is normally on Thursdays. So you have good distance between the paper. Then you can pick up your performance management and financial management. Now both these papers are very practical, so it gets easy to study both the papers. Plus again, the gap between the examination is good. So your PM is normally on Wednesdays and your FM is on Friday. So this could be a good paper combination at skill level. If you're a student who has to write all your papers and you've just finished your knowledge level, if you've finished your MA, then please pick your performance management first, because the knowledge and the concept is quite fresh. Now what you can club with your PM is typically your audit, because one is practical, one is theory. Again, very well placed. Monday and Wednesday is your exam. PM and tax I wouldn't recommend. Again, you don't have gap between the examination. PM and law is also something that you can pick. Good gap, good combination. PMFR I would not recommend, because you don't have a gap when you're writing your exam. So this is what you can pick. Again, FR very good to be clubbed with audit. FR can be clubbed with law also, one theory, one practical. Again, FR is on Thursday, law happens on Friday. So please keep that in mind. Do not club these papers, guys. Do not club your audit with tax. Both are theory and there is no gap in the examination. Do not club tax and law. Too much of theory will get too boring to study. And you can also club your PM with FM. It's a good combination. You can club your FM with tax. Very well placed in the exam. Tuesday is your tax, Friday is your FM. So you could do that. Don't club FM and law, because again, both the papers happen on the same day. So this is how you can plan your paper combinations at your skill level. Now moving on to professional level. With professional level, SBR, SBL, both your optional papers, I would suggest start with them, finish them off first. And again, these two are very good combination. One is theory, one is practical. Again, very well placed. Tuesdays is your SBL and Thursdays is your SBR. So these two are the best combination to start your professional level with, because your SBR will give you a very good base for all your papers, and it's an accounting paper, so you will find it easy. SBL is a writing paper. So all you have to do is practice more on writing. It's not that much in terms of content, because it's a very common sense or a common business knowledge paper. So these two are a good combination. Now moving on to your optional papers. Now again, depends on what your options are, okay. AFM typically is a very practical paper. So AFM can be clubbed if you're taking your AAA. It can be clubbed with APM, or it can even be clubbed with ATX. So AFM is a good paper to be clubbed with any of your optional paper, because AFM is a very, very practical paper. So you can pick that up. And again, AFM happens on Friday, your AAA happens on Monday, ATX happens on Tuesday, and your APM happens on Wednesday. So your gap is also very good if you're clubbing your AFM with something else. What you should not be clubbing is your AAA with tax, because both are again little theory and not very well placed. Monday's audit and Tuesday's tax. So not a good combination. AAA with APM is also a good combination, but guys, you have to keep in mind both the papers have a lot of theory. So studying both these papers can get very, very difficult. So these could be your paper combinations at your professional level. I hope you've got a good understanding on which paper can be clubbed with which paper, so that you get very good understanding before you write your examination. Also guys, what you need to keep in mind is always write your audit after your financial reporting or your SBR. A lot of these topics are overlapping. So don't write your audit first. First write your financial reporting or SBR, then your AA and AAA. So please keep this point in mind. And guys, if you require any kind of guidance, you can always reach out to me. I'm very happy to help each ACCA students out there. And I hope you found this video useful. So please do share it with your friends. Please drop in a comment below if you have any kind of queries. Do like the video, and guys, I'm requesting, please do subscribe to my channel. I'll be back with more such content. Till then, take care. See you all.